The sneaker market has changed. Prices are dropping. This sneaker, I can't believe these prices. They've dropped. They're so low. You can get the sneaker for very close to retail. These prices are crazy. What's going on in the market? This Air Jordan 1 is a prime example that the market is really dying. Giveaway. I'm giving away a pair of Travis Scott Black Phantom Jordan 1 lows. To enter this free giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Black Phantoms. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof on Instagram that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. This giveaway ends at the end of February, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Black Phantoms. The sneaker market has changed. Prices have certainly come down. We're now seeing shoes, of course, sitting in stores. Speaking of which, if you guys want me to do a mall vlog, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me and leave a comment, let me know. I'll go to the stores and see what's sitting at the mall. Let me know if you guys want that video. Prices are dropping. People are not spending as much money anymore on sneakers. The cost of living has gone up. So we're gonna look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s today that has certainly been a prime example of how the market has really dropped. And this is a collab Air Jordan 1 at that, which is crazy. And this other version of the Air Jordan 1 with this collab is still thousands of dollars. But when it comes to these, they flopped. Market has really dropped. They're going for right around 160, 170 in most sizes. Smaller sizes at like 150, which is retail. Retail was 150. We have them. The Air Jordan 1 low Union right here. And you guys know the Union 1 collaborations, the high OGs, over $2,000. So to see these be less than $200 is crazy. It shows people really aren't spending money on shoes like that. Collabs are not what they used to be at one point. They're oversaturating collabs maybe. Who knows? That's up for discussion. Let's get into these. I'm very excited to see which pair we have. I did cop on the Nike Sneakers app, and I also have more pairs coming from Union's website because Union knows how to drop shoes. I was able to successfully get some pairs on Union's website and hit on Nike Sneakers. This is the pair from the Sneakers app. We have the Union box, and I must say, packaging, well done. Very nice. You have gold chains, Jordan Union paper, blue, very, very nice. Let's take a look. Oh, they're all wrapped up. So each shoe is individually wrapped. I have not seen these in hand yet. I'm very excited. And I'm excited for the other pair to come in from Union to see those, because I think that one might be a little bit better. But right here we have, here they are, the Union LA Jordan 1 Low KO Canvas. These are clean. They remind me of another pair of Jordan 1s, which we'll take a look at in a minute. The canvas material for the upper, the entire upper is canvas, except for the swoosh, which is Velcro. And you do have Union LA on the inside, which is a nice detail. And you can actually take off the swooshes and replace them. They give you some extra swooshes in blue, which is a nice detail. And you have some gray laces, white cream laces on the sneaker. You do have some really nice details. There's your Nike logo on the tongue. You got some really nice suede for the tongue. You do have the foam for the tongue, kind of like that off-white theme, which is nice. And these are clean. You can't go wrong with them. It's a clean sneaker. And you do have the Wings logo on the back. Air Jordan Wings logo there, the AJKO Wings logo, I should say. And then you do have the gray bottom, a sail midsole, which really is a nice detail. I like that. And on the inside, you do have the numbers, which is a nice detail to see as well, the size and production as well. And then you do have the Jumpman on the insole. Very nice. These are clean. You can't go wrong. Now, let me show you guys what these remind me of. Ah, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Of course, they remind me of the neutral gray Air Jordan 1 Low. These are an OG colorway. Very, very nice, clean shoe. And they took the same colorway, basically, and tossed it here on the Air Jordan 1 KO Low. Collabed it with Union, and it's simple. Can't go wrong. I like them. The details are nice. Market has really dropped. Retail's $150, plus shipping on Union's website alone was like $18 to $20 depending on where you live. So yeah, guys, retail was $150, resell not there, $160, $170, which is not much over. I think this is a good example to really show that the market has really dropped on sneakers, collaborations, Union as well, obviously, Union as a whole, the Union 2s, look at those prices. So, Union as a whole, and just the market in general, it's a good shoe to show that the market is really down. And the model, guys, it's a Jordan 1 KO. There's no resale really on KOs. They put it on a low KO. I don't think people really cared too much. It is a Union at the end of the day, which will have its name and hold some weight to it, but not enough when it comes to resale right now. Will these go up? Do they have the potential to go up? Maybe. I'm not sure. It's not something I personally would put money into. I personally wouldn't, but they may potentially go up maybe. Who knows? Potentially. I don't really know on these. It's tough to say. I want to say no, but at the same time, in a year or two, who really knows? I definitely say it'll definitely take time. If anything, I don't think it'll be a quick one to skyrocket, but who really knows on these? I'm not sure. It's tough to say. It is still Union. It is a Jordan 1 low, but it is a KO, and it's a colorway that we've already seen, and I think people will definitely prefer the OG low over here versus Union's collab over here. But it is a very clean shoe. I'm excited to get the leather pair in hand. This is the canvas. I'm very excited to get the leather. I must say, this canvas, it's nice. It's not cheap material. It reminds me a lot of the black canvas 4, so it's not a cheap canvas material by any means, but these are going to get dirty, extremely filthy when you wear them. So watch out for that. Be careful with these. It's definitely going to get dirty. These are going to be a dirt magnet. Definitely. So be on the lookout. I will have the leather pair coming in from Union's website. I'm excited for those. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to enter in the free Black Phantom Travis Scott giveaway. Make sure you guys like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof that you guys did everything. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.